landing. See that? Seatbelt going? Seatbelt.
Flights of Northwest and KLM welcome you to Boston's Logan Airport. Local time is 5:08. We ask everyone for your continuing safety, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft reaches a full and complete stop at the terminal building and the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. That will be your indication that it is safe for you to stand to remove any personal belongings you may have brought on board with you. We also remind you, please use caution when opening the overhead compartments as articles inside may have shifted during the flight. A reminder, since this is our first port of entry into the United States, it is necessary for all passengers to deplane clearing United States Customs and Immigration. Please have your completed documents ready for the inspecting officers inside of the terminal building. We also remind you that any importation of fresh fruit or meat into the United States is prohibited. If you are carrying any of these items with you, we ask you to please leave them on board the aircraft. Also, the use of cellular telephones inside of the customs hall is prohibited. Please refrain from using your telephones until you are once again outside of the customs hall. This will be the termination of Flight 37 today. On behalf of the captain and the entire crew, I would like to say it's been our pleasure to serve you. We thank you for choosing the Alliance of Northwest and KLM, members of the Sky Team Alliance, and hope to see you again in the near future. Thank you, and good evening.